Yesterday, I was really kind of proud of myself that I made ice cream for the first time in my life. I kind of forgot about it. I just threw it in the freezer. I need this thing to melt because now I got a friggin' problem. Nobody told me how I'm gonna get this thing out. Like, how do I get this ice cream out of here? Did you break it up? Like, nobody tells me these things. So when I tried it this morning, I digged in. Like, I'm digging in. I'm digging deep. And I realized I was so excited I forgot to put the friggin' sugar in. No sugar tonight in my coffee. And this was supposed to be for July 16, National Ice Cream Day. Will Ferrell. Wow. I thought of something new, guys. I don't know how to get this thing out. Shaved ice cream. Remember that fad? I really don't know how to get this thing out. Like, how do you get this out? Like, why wouldn't somebody, like, there's no instructions with this thing. Like, does it come out like this? Like, it doesn't make sense. This is the scary thing here. I hear some water in there. What good is it if this thing doesn't come out? Like, hello? Like, look. Like, how do you get this thing out? It says dishwasher safe. So, I don't predict these things when I do this. Oh, I'm gonna buy ice cream. You put it in here and, you put it in the freezer. Like, I don't know how. Like, I'm not a scientist. This is gonna be in here for the balance of the episode. No, it's not, because the microwave only goes to 2 minutes. Let's give it 3.5. Just like last night. I'm cleaning, I'm draining, I'm dreaming. No, I'm melting. It's a melting pot. As you can see, this thing's still not melting. Oh, bit of life. A bit of life. A bit of life. A bit of life. A bit of life. We live another day. So, I don't plan these things. I don't know what's what. And